Hey crafty friends, it's Elizabeth from BBsButterfly, and today is another episode of Tidbit Tuesday. Today I am going to tell you a little bit about what this hot mess is. I was watching a video a little while ago on someone who was playing with their inks and doing some watercolor, and she grabbed a coffee filter and she wiped up her ink like we all would with our baby wipes. And I was thinking, well, why is she doing that? Because, usually, even though your mat is clean, if you spray water on it, you still get some ink, right? So what I was thinking is, why is she doing that instead of just using a baby wipe and cleaning it up? And then I realized, aha. So usually when you're doing something with your ink and your water, there's a lot of ink left. And, we take our baby wipe and we wipe it up and we're like, oh, I just wasted all the ink. Well, I have a little tip. So let's say you're playing with your inks, you're doing some watercolor, just gonna spray this down real quick, and you've used it all up, and you go, oh, now I gotta wipe all this mess up. Instead of wasting it, grab a coffee filter and wipe it up, and save that coffee filter. Once it looks pretty clean, then you can take your baby wipe, and wipe down your table just to make sure it's all gone. But let's say, okay, I'm gonna use some of this. Alright, let's pretend like I used it on a project, and now it's all over my desk. Yay! I grab my coffee filter, and I wipe it up. Okay, and then I take my baby wipe and I make sure it's clean. See, there's still some pink. I don't think you can see it, but there's still some pink left on the mat, even though this soaked it up. Alright, now let's say on another day I was doing something and, I used some blue. And I got it on my craft mat, and I'm gonna use it for whatever, and then I'm through. So alright, let's wipe that up. Alright, then I take my baby wipe, make sure that's clean. Alright, so let's say we got this all nice and coated and pretty and used. You're just gonna make sure it's dry. Alright, that's probably pretty dry. Now, you have this stack of coffee filters because over time and time you've been wiping off your table with coffee filters, and now you have this stack of nice pretty colored coffee filters. Well, what you can do is cut them. Just gonna make a slit there, and then I'm gonna start cutting like so. The top one's not quite dry. Okay, so now you have this hot mess, right? And then you can just start, I'm just going to do one, because I don't think those colors go together. But then you can just start rolling it up. Kind of hard to keep that end pinched. Now, if this was more used, it would be better, but it's not, and that's okay. And you're just going to roll it and roll it. Until you have this awesome coffee filter flower. And then, you know, you can, I don't have my hot glue gun ready, but you can then, you know, glue it, put it on a stem, or just, once it's dry, you can, you know, snip off the end, glue it to a page, save one of your stems from your I Am Roses, or one of your regular paper flowers, stick a stem on it, and you have an awesome flower. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? All right, so dig out your coffee filters. They're cheap. I think I got a whole stack of like 1,000 of them or something like that at Sam's, and they were super cheap. Or go to the Dollar Tree, get a package, something like that. But use your coffee filters to wipe up the excess ink that you can see on your craft mat before you use your baby wipe. And then you can make some awesome paper flowers. All right, gang, it's been another episode of Tuesday Tidbits, and I'll see you guys again next time. Have a great day. Bye.